Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the essentials out of the way. Update the portal and remote play so compatibility isn't a problem, then connect to your fastest Wi-Fi. This matters because streaming video needs bandwidth. Once done, sign into your PSN account. YouTube access routes through PlayStation services. Now open the browser or app launcher. You're starting the process early because skipping updates often breaks playback and sign-in, so this step prevents wasted time later. With the portal ready, launch Remote Play or the browser and navigate to YouTube. You choose an account for personalized recommendations or guest mode for quick viewing. Make sure to select the correct audio output. Portal routes sound through the device, so set stereo or headset as needed. Also pick a playback quality that matches your connection. Higher quality looks better but needs more bandwidth. Once configured, you can search, subscribe, or cast videos from linked devices. Play a video and use the portal controls for seeking, captions, and volume. You'll notice the touchpad shortcuts feel different, so adapt briefly. If playback stutters, reduce resolution or switch to 2.4 GHz temporarily. Lower quality reduces buffering because it uses less bandwidth. If audio drops or videos won't load, restart the app, rejoin Wi-Fi, and if necessary power, cycle the portal. That resolves most hiccups by clearing temporary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.